Hello there, I'm from Chartech and today I will be walking you through our vStaff HRMS software flow. So first, let's go ahead and log in. So you'll be greeted with this dashboard. Of course, this can be changed. So first let's have a look. On the left here we have a set of header menus, and on the right at the top we have some quick link icons: newsletter, leave, notifications, a calendar, and of course profile. Alright, so first let's see what we have on the employee. So as a HR user, I have access to the employee records, which will be under this employee register. So it will tell you how many we have in total, and we can sort them by division or group or type of employee. Right? All you have to do is hit the search button, or if you're searching for someone specifically, you can type their name and it will autofill for you. Right? So you can see the details here, a bit of a summary, and you can click edit to see the full details, like so. Alright, so I won't go into too much detail, but you can insert their allowances, their form of payment, and statutory contributions. All these are in compliance with our labor laws and taxation. Alright, and then as a supervisor you can of course check your employees summary, or your team members I should say. Right? And then of course for yourself, you can check your payslip, you can email it to yourself or download as a PDF file. Alright. And of course you can download your EA form when it's ready for your annual income tax declaration. Alright. And then of course the next up is payroll, very important. So let's check out payroll run. Alright. So what we have here is all the different runs that have been done in the past that have been committed, and these can be checked. You can view to see how much was paid out to each employee, each user. Alright. And of course you can generate EA forms, very important. And of course you can check out the reports. Right, lots of reports, claims, and overtime, and payroll, and you can check out some of the charts. Perhaps for last year. Alright. Alright, then of course there is leave. You can check your leave and you can apply for leave. Or every user can apply for the leave, like so. Just have to fill out a form, put in the details. You can preview it before it will send a notification to the supervisor for approval. Right, and this keeps track of all the leave that this user has taken or is eligible to take. Right. And then timesheet is for attendance tracking, for clocking in and out. This is the timesheet, and of course there's claims. So claims are done in batches, monthly batches, so they can be added as required. Here are all the types. These can be adjusted as necessary. Conditions, return trip. Let's say we're starting from KL to Penang. Here is an estimate. So this is based on Google, and a special rate that has been fixed. Alright, and then when we're happy, we click add. Alright, so we have an item here, and what happens is I can submit more, because usually I will have more than one claim. Therefore, I will enter all my claims before I submit it to my supervisor or manager to approve. Alright, next up we have sales. So if I'm in the sales role, I will have certain targets to be met. Right? So here it will track all my sales to date, right, and whether or not they've been approved by my manager. And below here I can easily track what I've achieved compared to my target. Right? And this is the overall branch target. Right? And of course, managers will be able to see their entire branches. Like so. Right? The different branches and the different sales to date and how much there is to go. Alright. Next up there is vTransport, which is for arranging transport to and from my employer site. And of course there is documentation for the company policies and for handbooks and a list of panel doctors. Very important for HR and company news. And of course we have the admin control and calendars for setting important dates. Right. You can see the calendar here, like so. So it should indicate any special dates. So currently we are here. This is the leave calendar, so we can easily see who is on leave and who is not.